Today's exploration focuses into the complex realm of the subconscious mind and its potent impact on our day-to-day existence and the reality we perceive. The subconscious is a strong force that works in the background to influence our choices, actions, and eventually, our fates. Through comprehension and synchronization of our subconscious thoughts with our conscious aspirations, we can strengthen our capacity to materialize our objectives. The foundation for understanding the power of the subconscious mind in manifestation will be established by this talk. The subconscious mind is like a vast, silent storage room where every experience, belief, and emotion you've ever had resides. Unlike the conscious mind, which handles direct and immediate thoughts and actions, the subconscious operates below the level of conscious awareness. It influences our actions and reactions through the beliefs and emotions that have been imprinted over our lifetime. From the moment we are born, and throughout our early years, our brain is in a highly receptive state, absorbing information and forming beliefs based on our interactions with the world around us. These foundational beliefs, whether positive or negative, form the core programming of our subconscious. They act like an autopilot, steering our choices and responses, often without us even realizing it. For example, if you've ever driven home on autopilot, only to arrive and not fully remember the journey, you've experienced the subconscious mind in action. This part of our mind is not just a passive library of memories. It is dynamic and plays a critical role in manifesting our reality. It continuously communicates with the conscious part of our brain, influencing our perceptions and available choices based on the programming it has received. Thus, if your subconscious beliefs align with your conscious goals, you are more likely to achieve those goals effortlessly. But if there is a mismatch between your conscious intentions and subconscious beliefs, manifesting your desires can be much more challenging. This is because the subconscious may be holding on to outdated or negative beliefs that conflict with your current aspirations and efforts. For instance, if you consciously desire financial success, but subconsciously believe that money is the root of all evil, there will be a natural resistance to achieving that success. Recognizing the signs of subconscious barriers is the first step towards reprogramming. These signs can be persistent negative thoughts, unexplainable emotional reactions, or simply feeling stuck despite conscious efforts to progress. Understanding these signals and where they stem from is crucial in beginning to realign your subconscious with your conscious mind. Manifestation is not merely a magical or mystical process, but is deeply rooted in the capabilities of our mind, particularly the subconscious. The concept of manifesting one's desires into physical reality might sound like wishful thinking to some. There are scientific underpinnings that suggest our thoughts have a tangible influence on our environment. The placebo effect, a well-documented medical phenomenon, illustrates how powerful our beliefs can be. In countless studies, patients given a placebo, a treatment with no therapeutic effect, often experience a real improvement in their health simply because they believe they are receiving a real treatment. This effect underscores the potential power of the mind's belief system in influencing physical outcomes. Quantitative sciences, like physics, have also begun to explore how the observer's consciousness might influence the behavior of particles at the quantum level. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that by merely observing or measuring a particle, the observer affects the particle's behavior. This interaction hints at a fundamental link between consciousness and the physical world, suggesting that our thoughts and beliefs can influence the material aspects of our existence. Harnessing this power begins with understanding and then strategically influencing the subconscious mind to align with what we wish to manifest. In doing so, we can effectively transform our internal blueprint, which in turn transforms our external experiences and realities. This transformation is not achieved through wishful thinking alone, but through a systematic approach to reprogramming the subconscious. The subsequent will guide you through practical techniques like visualization, affirmations, and meditation, which can be employed to reshape your subconscious beliefs and enhance your ability to manifest your desires. One of the significant challenges in harnessing the power of the subconscious mind lies in the internal barriers that often go unnoticed. These barriers are not visible obstacles, but they are just as real as physical ones. They stem from deeply ingrained beliefs and past experiences that shape our perception of what is possible or impossible for us. For many, these barriers manifest as self-doubt, fear, or negativity, which can stem from various sources, such as past failures, critical upbringing, or even societal conditioning. For instance, someone who has experienced financial instability throughout life may have a subconscious belief that it is their inevitable fate, making it challenging to manifest wealth despite their best conscious efforts. To overcome these barriers, the first step is awareness. Recognizing that these negative beliefs are not reflections of reality, but merely perceptions shaped by past experiences, is crucial. The recognition alone can reduce the power these barriers hold over you. Identifying specific limiting beliefs is also essential. This can be achieved through self-reflection or techniques like journaling, where you can explore and pinpoint the exact nature of the thoughts holding you back. Once identified, these beliefs can be challenged and eventually replaced with more positive, empowering beliefs. Reprogramming the subconscious mind is akin to updating the software on your computer. It involves replacing outdated, unhelpful data with new, beneficial programs. This process is not instantaneous, but requires patience, consistency, and the right techniques. One effective method is visualization. Visualization is the practice of forming a mental image of the outcome you desire. The key to effective visualization is not just seeing the end result, but engaging all your senses and emotions in the process. Imagine not only achieving your goal, but also feeling the emotions associated with that success. Whether it's joy, peace, or satisfaction, these emotions play a crucial role in solidifying the new belief in your subconscious. Another powerful tool is the use of affirmations. Affirmations are positive, present-tense statements that reflect the state or condition you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," affirm, "I am successful." This helps to reprogram your mind by asserting the desired state as a current reality, which encourages the subconscious to accept it as truth. The effectiveness of affirmations largely depends on their frequency and emotional impact. Repeating affirmations daily, especially during times when your mind is most receptive, such as just before sleep or right after waking, can significantly enhance their impact. Meditation also plays a vital role in this reprogramming process. It helps quiet the mind, making it easier to reach and influence the subconscious. Through meditation, you can create a focused and relaxed state where the subconscious is open to new suggestions. This state, often referred to as the alpha state, is where deep mental healing and reprogramming can occur. By regularly entering this state through meditation, you facilitate a direct communication channel with your subconscious, allowing for effective reprogramming of limiting beliefs. Through these techniques, visualization, affirmations, and meditation, you create a robust framework for influencing your subconscious mind. By consistently applying these methods, you begin to overwrite the old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones, thus aligning your subconscious programming with your conscious aspirations. These foundational techniques set the stage for a comprehensive manifestation routine, as will be discussed in the following parts, ensuring a holistic approach to personal transformation and the achievement of one's deepest desires. Looking into the art of visualization, this technique is much more than merely daydreaming about desired outcomes. Effective visualization is a structured practice that, when done consistently, can significantly alter your subconscious beliefs and enhance your ability to manifest your goals. The key to unlocking its full potential lies in its deliberate and sensory-rich approach. Begin by finding a quiet place where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths, allowing your body and mind to relax. Once you feel centered, start picturing the goal you wish to achieve. Imagine the scene in vivid detail. Where are you? Who is present? And what are you doing? Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, touch, and even taste? For instance, if your goal is to buy a new home, visualize walking through the house. See the colors of the walls, hear the creak of the hardwood floors, smell the freshness of a newly painted room, feel the coolness of the marble countertops, and perhaps taste the excitement in the air. The emotional response you elicit during visualization is crucial. It's the emotional charge that impresses the image more deeply into your subconscious. Feel the joy, pride, or peace that comes with achieving your goal. It's this combination of clear, detailed imagery and corresponding emotions that informs the subconscious that this scenario is important to you and helps to align your inner beliefs with your outer goals. Moving from visualization to affirmations, it's important to use this tool correctly to maximize its impact on the subconscious mind. Affirmations are not just phrases you repeat. They are declarations of your intended reality, and they must be formulated and used thoughtfully. First, affirmations should always be positive and in the present tense. This reinforces the concept that what you desire is already occurring, not something that will happen in the future. Use clear and concise language that resonates with you personally. The affirmation, "I am confidently achieving my goals," is more effective than "I will try to achieve my goals." The certainty in the phrase boosts your confidence and aligns your subconscious with a success-oriented mindset. Frequency and repetition are critical for affirmations to imprint on the subconscious. Integrate them into your daily routine. Repeat your affirmations out loud every morning when you wake up and every night before you go to bed. These times are particularly potent as your mind is in a more receptive state, transitioning between sleep and wakefulness. Writing down your affirmations can enhance their effectiveness. The physical act of writing is another way to impress these thoughts deeper into your mind, reinforcing their message. Keep these affirmations visible, perhaps on a sticky note on your bathroom mirror or on your desktop wallpaper, so you are continually reminded of them throughout the day. By employing these visualization and affirmation techniques regularly, you begin to reshape your subconscious landscape. This alteration not only supports your conscious efforts toward your goals, but also starts to pull your reality toward the outcomes you've envisioned and affirmed. With your internal script rewritten, your external world begins to align, opening paths that lead to the successful manifestation of your aspirations. Meditation is more than a tool for relaxation. It is a profound technique for accessing and influencing the subconscious mind. By meditating, you can create a direct line to this deep part of your mind, making it possible to introduce new concepts and remove old patterns that no longer serve you. Understanding and implementing meditation in your daily routine can significantly enhance your manifestation efforts. Begin your meditation practice by choosing a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. The goal is not to empty your mind, but rather to observe it without attachment to passing thoughts. This practice helps in reducing the noise of the conscious mind and allows deeper insights from your subconscious to emerge. As you meditate regularly, aim to enter the alpha state, a brainwave frequency that bridges the conscious and subconscious realms. In this state, your mind is alert yet relaxed, receptive to new information, and more connected to the subconscious. It is an ideal state for planting the seeds of your desired manifestations. During meditation, visualize your goals as achieved, replay your affirmations, or simply bask in the emotions of your future success. This practice not only strengthens the mental images and beliefs you wish to manifest, but also aligns your subconscious with a frequency of fulfillment and peace, making it more receptive to manifesting these experiences in the real world. To effectively manifest your desires, it's beneficial to establish a routine that incorporates the techniques discussed: visualization, affirmations, and meditation. A consistent, daily practice helps solidify these concepts in your subconscious, making them part of your automatic thought processes. Start your day with a morning routine that sets a positive tone for manifestation. Upon waking, spend a few minutes in meditation to clear your mind and set your intentions for the day. Follow this with a session of visualization, where you vividly imagine your day unfolding with the successes you wish to achieve. Cap this off by reciting your affirmations, affirming your capabilities and the positive outcomes of your endeavors. In the evening, wind down with a reflection meditation. Review the events of the day, focusing on the successes and learning from any setbacks. Reaffirm your desires through visualization and affirmations just before bed. This practice not only reinforces your daytime activities, but also utilizes the power of the subconscious during sleep, a time when it is highly receptive to suggestions. To keep your manifestation routine effective, regularly update your techniques as your goals evolve. What you needed to manifest a month ago may differ from your current needs, so adapt your practices accordingly. This keeps the routine fresh and aligned with your current aspirations. Through these structured techniques and a dedicated routine, you gradually reprogram your subconscious. This alignment between your inner beliefs and outer desires sets the stage for the universe to manifest these into reality. The continuous practice ensures that your subconscious is always working in your favor, helping to turn your dreams into tangible outcomes. To further inspire and solidify the importance of reprogramming the subconscious for manifestation, consider the impact it has had on numerous people. While specific stories of individuals aren't discussed here, the common thread in all successful manifestation stories is the persistent application of the techniques we've covered. People from all walks of life have discovered that by altering their subconscious beliefs and consistently practicing visualization, affirmations, and meditation, they can change their lives. These changes are not limited to small personal achievements, but often extend to transformative life experiences. They find that as their internal beliefs shift, external opportunities and successes that once seemed unattainable begin to occur with surprising frequency. This consistency in practice not only helps in achieving specific goals, but also builds a powerful sense of self-efficacy. As you witness small successes, your confidence in your ability to manifest grows, leading to bigger and bolder attempts at achieving your dreams. This self-reinforcing cycle is key to ongoing success in manifestation. While we conclude this exploration into reprogramming the subconscious mind to manifest anything, remember that the journey you are about to start on is one of profound transformation. The techniques of visualization, affirmations, and meditation are your tools to unlock this potential. The change will not happen overnight, but with persistence and consistency, the alignment between your subconscious programming and your conscious desires will improve, bringing with them the manifestations you seek. Begin today by selecting one technique that resonates most with you. Perhaps start with a simple affirmation related to a goal you've long held, or engage in a short meditation session each morning. Commit to this practice daily, and be patient with yourself as you make this a part of your routine. Regularly review and adjust your practices as needed, always aiming to align your subconscious beliefs with your current goals. This dynamic approach ensures that your efforts remain fresh and effective, facilitating ongoing growth and manifestation. Remember that the power to change your life lies within you. Your mind, both conscious and subconscious, is a potent tool for creating the reality you desire. By harnessing this power through intentional practice, you open yourself up to endless possibilities. Start today and let your journey of transformation unfold.